Did you know that blockchain technology is inspired by nature? Just like animals flocking in strange patterns, blockchain operates on a decentralized network, where each node, like a bird in a flock, plays a crucial role. This system ensures transparency and security, as every transaction is verified by multiple nodes, preventing fraud. The concept of consensus in blockchain mimics the way birds communicate to navigate and avoid predators. This innovative approach has revolutionized digital finance, making transactions faster and more secure. Blockchain's nature-inspired design is a testament to how technology can learn from the natural world.